Language is a weapon. It can be wielded and used to build or to destroy. Use the wrong word at the wrong time and place, you'll get into trouble. But use language wisely and appropriately. You can get what you desire. We have seen many examples like that in politics and marketing in particular. Think of a song that motivated you, inspired you, because music was combined with the right kinds of words and lyrics. I can think of many songs like that, and I'm sure you can do that as well. Think of people who rose from rags to riches because they learned what to say, how to say it, how to construct their ideas and thoughts, their aims and intentions, using nothing more than words. This is just a reminder of how important language actually is, something we take for granted. English, on the other hand, is a global language. Some would argue that its dominance and prevalence is primarily due to the British Empire expansion or the post-World War II influence that the United States and the UK had on the world. But it's not just about that. It's a practical language. It's versatile. It's easy to learn. Well, compared to many other languages that are out there. Now back to the question. Do you really need to learn English? And more importantly, enhance your skills and broaden your skill set? Well, in today's competitive world, having strong oratory skills is a prerequisite for leadership and management positions. You need to be convincing and persuasive and do so with clarity and precision to convey your thoughts, to get your message across, to reach your audience, to make your voice heard. But it's not just about business or financial success or social hierarchy. On a personal level, it boosts your self-esteem and confidence in various aspects of life. If you want to have access to more entertainment, including movies, music, books, sports, English language can take you there. And by understanding English, you won't rely on translations or inaccurate subtitles, as I did many light years ago. As a matter of fact, that's one of the pushing reasons I decided to learn and study English. If you want to open the door to the world and create new social connections with millions of people from different cultures, English is your guide. And did I mention, English is the official language in over 50 countries, and it is spoken as a second official language in many more. It goes without saying, it makes traveling much easier. If you want to have access to abundance of information sources, scientific research, papers, online content, which as of today, approximately 50% of websites are displayed in English. And speaking of education and learning, many universities around the world offer higher education programs in English. If you want to unlock career opportunities, if you're seeking professional advancements, or simply you want to grow your business, English is an asset. It's one of the best investments that you can make. But if all of these reasons aren't already enough, which make learning English not just a skill, a necessity, English can make you smarter. Yes, studies have found that people with additional languages experience less cognitive decline. They are better at problem solving, multitasking, critical thinking, and creative thinking. It is literally a mental workout. So, stop dithering and delaying and enrich your life learning a new language. In this particular case, English. Till next time, stay tuned.